Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today we have a different unboxing. I'm going to unbox my newest travel buddy. And if you're new to my channel, my name is Marlene and I do videos about luxury handbags, shoes and fashion in general. So if that's something you like, please consider subscribing to my channel and click the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. I'm going to travel a lot more, and in that case I need to change out some of the old things I have. In this summer I'm going to travel a lot. I'm already traveling to Oslo today, so therefore I'm going to reveal my new purchase and also do a pack with me. So here is my new suitcase. This is the RIMOWA Essential Check-in in the large size in matte black. So I kind of felt that I grew out of my old suitcase. That was a Samsonite suitcase that I had since I was 12 years old. And it was pink because I got it when I was 12, and now I don't feel that I can walk around with a pink suitcase anymore. But it is a great suitcase and it's still functional, but I'm not going to use that as my main suitcase anymore. And with the suitcase I got a luggage tag, and I actually got 2 luggage tags. I don't know if that was a mistake or if that's something normal, because I ordered a custom one with my initials on it, but the one I received with the suitcase was without my initials, as you can see here. So I don't know what I'm going to use that for, but here is the one with my initials on it. So here is it with my initials. So here it is with my luggage tag on it. I really like the details of this suitcase. It feels really good quality, even though it's quite light. It also has 4 wheels and the wheels feel really good. And on the side you have a lock, so you can lock your suitcase, of course. I really love this suitcase and I'm going to use it for all my trips, and I think it is the perfect size for me now. And I really like that you have dividers in each rooms, and I think this is a way more functional suitcase than I had before, and it fits a lot more than my Samsonite. I choose the matte black because I think that suits my style the most, and when it comes to wear and tear, I think matte black is going to show less scratches and dirt than, for example, the glossy ones. So as I said, I'm going to Oslo today, and the bags I'm bringing with me to Oslo is, of course, my Birkin 30 in gold and the Picotin as well. And I'm traveling with my book-tote, of course. When it comes to the clothes, I have bought a couple of new clothes lately, and I'm also bringing with me some sandals, but also some sneakers. It is going to be pretty warm. I'm also going to do a vlog when I'm in Oslo, so be sure to subscribe to follow me along. And now I'm going to pack my suitcase with you.
Come out and play. It's Saturday, and I promise I'll love you much better now. The sour taste, but
I hope you guys like this kind of video. I'm hopefully going to do more of it from now on, but let me know in the comments what you think about this kind of content. And thank you so much for watching, and if you're not done watching me yet, here is another video, and goodbye.